Greetings everyone and welcome back to my channel. Greetings YouTube, it is I, the nerd from the other side of your YouTube video. Now I wanted to apologize that I didn't upload any DragonLance videos lately. It's because of the move from New Jersey to Norfolk. My life is kind of a mess right now and I just don't have a lot of time to sit on this and do it. And when I do, all I want to do is just sleep or explore because it's a brand new city. More about that in a different video. I'll show you where I went. Anyway, and also the recording in this apartment is horrendous. I'm coming to you from the floor of my bedroom because this seems to be like the only place with a little bit of echo and not a lot. I worked on a video last week. It took me about 5 or 6 hours of editing, and after I saw it, I just deleted it. It came out so badly. The echo, the sound, it's just horrible. Anyway, so hopefully in a week and a bit, I'll move into my new place. I'll set everything up and then I'll be able to start publishing more videos about DragonLance. But the place I love to visit the most. I hope you guys understand and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.